I'm your host, Dopecameragirl. Many people know me as Ebonice Atkins, the TV producer, or even Ebo. I also have a production company that is called Dopecameragirl. Many people think it's my Instagram handle, but it's actually a production company that specializes in television production and photography services. I've been in the television industry for over 15 years and even had my own TV show. I'm going to teach you how to make a TV show, making a pitch deck, all of the above. All videos will be 5 minutes or less. Most of you have even seen my work on VH1, MTV, Complex, and even Netflix. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dopecameragirl, and our Instagram, Dopecameragirl Inc. But be sure to also go on the website, which is dopecameragirl.com.